Namaste everybody, welcome to Udya's classroom. In today's class, we are going to see the causes of business risk following to the previous class, business risk and nature of risk. Okay, now let's get started with the class. Causes of business risk. So we do have 4 causes of business risk. The first is natural causes, and the second one is human causes, and the third one is economic causes, and the fourth one is external causes. Now let's see one by one how all these causes will affect the business. Okay, so the causes of business risk consist of 4. The first one is natural causes. What could be the natural causes? Natural causes could be naturally occurring certain things. Natural events like natural calamities like flood, earthquake and famine, etc. All these things will come under natural causes. So, flood, earthquake, we know. Famine, I think our generation did not see. If this pandemic continues more than 2 years or 1 year, what will happen? Famine also will come. There are higher level of possibilities. Alright, hope we should not undergo famine. Okay, so what will happen? All these natural causes will lead into loss of life and property, resulting into loss of business opportunities. So when these natural causes happening, what will happen? People will, when it continues, people will lose their property. You can even take last time Chennai flood. So people will lose their life itself and their property also they lost. So this will happen for the people, those who live natural life, very normal life, right? So think of the business people, those who have invested amount huge in their business, they will lose their business completely. Of course, it could be minimized. How it could be minimized? If suppose the businesses have taken up the insurance policies, if they have taken the specific insurance policy, fire accident or theft, so related to the particular insurance policy, if the business people have taken up, they can minimize their risk factor which is happening because of the natural causes. It cannot be eliminated completely, but the risk could be minimized with the help of insurance. Moving on to the next causes, human causes. How come the human will affect the business functioning? Yes, human causes also will affect the business. How? Power failure. If power failures, the production process will get stopped. Strikes. If the humans engage in the strike, business will get affected. Lockouts. Lockouts will affect the business. Managerial inefficiency. If the management, administration is not taking place in the business environment, because of their inefficiency, the business will get affected. They have to face the risk factors. Okay, what will happen? Ultimately, all these things will lead into loss of productivity. The business productivity will slow down. So, if the business productivity lead into losses of productivity, if what will happen? It will increase the cost of production. It will increase the cost of production. The production cost will get increased, then ultimately the profit will decrease. So once the production cost increases, what will happen? Production cost increases means if the people, those who have engaged in the production process, they have to procure raw materials, all other things, and they have to incur many expenses for their production process. If they spend more cost for all these expenses, what will happen? Their cost factor will increase. Ultimately, the profit will get decreased. So that is what I have mentioned here. So the productivity cost will increase and profit will decrease, and ultimately the business have to face losses. Can you understand? If the production cost increases, the profit will decrease and it will lead into losses. Okay, so the causes could be minimized. All these human causes could be minimized if the proper planning and the management activities all planned efficiently. They can overcome this human causes also. you can understand planning and the management. If it is taking place properly in the business environment, they can avoid this human causes. Okay, coming to the third causes, that is economic causes. How the economic causes will create business risk? Fluctuation in demand. If the demand for the particular product is not fixed, always it is fluctuating. For example, people those who deal with woolen textile materials, so it depends upon the season, the demand will change. Summertime we may not be preferring, right? Cotton only we will be preferring. So it will fluctuate, the demand will fluctuate. So the fluctuation in demand due to change in prices, taste. So how the particular product demand will fluctuate, it will not be fixed due to prices. If the product price changes or the taste changes, consumers, as a consumer, if we change our preference and taste, it will affect the business, and economic causes will happen for the business people. Or market conditions. If the market condition is not standard, always it is flexible and it is fluctuating, it will affect the business. So possibility of risk is more here. So human causes, due to all these things, price, taste, preference or market conditions, everything is fluctuating, means the loss will be higher, the possibility of risk is higher. Okay, and moving on to the next point, competition. If the competition increases in the market, what will happen? Increased competition will increase a change in technology or production method, also result in losses. In the market, if you deal with a particular product in the market, if you have tough competition from your competitor, it will affect your business and it will affect your economic condition. And apart from that, the technology, if you will be engaging in the production process with following some technology, and that particular technology has been advanced by your competitor, what will happen? In the market, your market condition will get fluctuated. So what will happen? Ultimately result in losses. Okay, again, here we can take an example. Increase interest rate. Let me tell you for the event first. You have engaged in the production process. You need a huge investment for your business. You have received a loan from the bank and from different financial sources you have received some loans. Okay, so what will happen if the rate of your loan, the rate of interest for your loan is increased? You have to pay high rate of interest for your loan. So what you will be doing? Naturally, you will be adding up the interest rate and the cost, everything in your product. So what will happen? So when your interest rate increases for your loan, ultimately you will be adding the cost in your product, what you are going to sell for the people. So if the product price increases, how the public people will purchase your product? Right. So the public, that is the consumer, will think to buy your product. It will reduce the purchasing capacity of the consumer. Let's see here. If the interest rate increased, what will happen? Cost of production also will increase. So ultimately what will happen? It will, if the cost of production is increased, purchasing power of consumers will decrease. So purchasing power, people, everybody, all the consumers cannot purchase very costly products, right? So the purchasing capacity of the consumers will decrease. What will happen? Ultimately the result would be the demand for the product will get decreased. I think you're clear with this. So if the interest rate or any other cost factors for the production increases, the cost all will be incurred, added up in the product. If the product price is very higher, the purchasing capacity of the consumer will get decreased. If so, the demand of the particular product also will go down. Okay, so this is what the economic causes. The fourth is external causes. How the external causes will affect the business? Possibility of risk increase. How the external causes will create risk due to political. If the government is not stable, if the government political changes taking place means it will affect the business. So political instability, there is no stable government, keep on changing. The political instability will affect the business. Terrorism will affect the business. Mechanical failures will affect the business. Fluctuations in exchange prices, exchanging of goods and services, the prices if it is fluctuating, it will affect the business. So, all these factors as external factors will affect the business. They will create risk for the business. How can we minimize these external causes? Only by utilizing available resources to their best. So all the resources, it could be a physical resources or human resources, all the resources to be utilized efficiently. So maximum, to the fullest potential, we have to use for the best. Okay, so these are all the external causes. We'll see an example here. Taj Hotel in Mumbai, due to terrorism, the Taj Hotel, they have operations has been shut down for more than 6 months due to 26/11 terror attacks. So Taj Hotel in Mumbai shut its operations for more than 6 months due to 26/11 terror attacks. So because of this terrorism also, the business will get affected. So these are all the causes, that is natural causes, human causes, economic causes and the external causes will affect the business. So these are all called as causes of business risk. Hope you are clear with the business risk. So understanding the business and about the business risk and about the causes of business risk, we will be having the clear-cut picture. If we start a business in future, what are all the areas we have to concentrate and how come we can overcome all these problems because of our proper efficient planning and the managerial activities we need to understand. That is the reason why we are learning all these things. You can take up an example like Mukesh Ambani, what they are doing. Due to this pandemic situation, their economic level, that is, it was about to go down, but with the continuous joining up with Zabarbat Jio and other tie-ups, they are trying to withstand in the same position. So they have a proper planning, efficient planning in their business, right? So that is how we can overcome all the business risk. With this understanding, we'll end up the session today. I'll meet you in the next class. Till then, it's bye from Udaya.